Welcome back, guys. Today we talk about soda water cold drink side effects. Cold drinks, such as soda and other carbonated beverages, can have several effects on men's energy levels. Here are some potential side effects to consider. Dehydration. Cold drinks can lead to increased urine production, which can contribute to dehydration. Dehydration can cause fatigue and decreased energy levels. Blood sugar spikes and crashes. Sugary cold drinks can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels, followed by a subsequent drop. This roller coaster effect can lead to energy fluctuations and feelings of fatigue. Nutrient deficiencies. Cold drinks, especially those high in sugar, offer little to no nutritional value. Consuming these drinks regularly may contribute to nutrient deficiencies, which can impact energy levels and overall health. Caffeine dependence. Many cold drinks contain caffeine, which can provide a temporary energy boost. However, excessive consumption can lead to dependence and withdrawal symptoms, such as headaches and fatigue when not consumed. Weight gain. Cold drinks often contain high amounts of calories and sugar. Regularly consuming these beverages in excess can contribute to weight gain, leading to decreased energy levels and fatigue. It's important to note that individual responses to cold drinks can vary. Some people may be more sensitive to the effects mentioned above, while others may not experience them as severely. Moderation in making healthier beverage choices can help maintain consistent energy levels. As always, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Here are some natural ways to boost energy levels. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can cause fatigue, so make sure to drink enough water throughout the day to stay properly hydrated. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to ensure your body and mind are well rested for the day ahead. Exercise regularly. Physical activity can increase blood flow and oxygen delivery to the muscles and organs, helping to boost energy levels. Even a short walk or light exercise can make a difference. Manage stress levels. Chronic stress can drain your energy. Practice stress management techniques such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Eat a balanced diet. Include a variety of nutrient-dense foods in your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid excessive sugar and processed foods that can lead to energy crashes. Limit caffeine and alcohol. While caffeine can provide a temporary energy boost, excessive consumption can lead to dependence and energy crashes. Alcohol can also disrupt sleep patterns, leading to decreased energy levels. Take breaks and rest. Give yourself short breaks throughout the day to recharge. Avoid overworking yourself and allow time for relaxation. Practice good posture. Maintaining good posture can improve oxygen flow and prevent muscle fatigue, helping to maintain energy levels. Remember, everyone's energy levels can vary, so it's important to listen to your body and find what works best for you. Signs of dehydration can vary depending on the severity, but here are some common symptoms. Thirst. Feeling thirsty is one of the initial signs of mild dehydration. Dry mouth and lips. When you're dehydrated, your mouth and lips may feel dry and sticky. Dark-colored urine. Dehydration can cause urine to become concentrated, resulting in a darker yellow color. Decreased urine output. If you're not urinating as frequently or your urine volume is significantly reduced, it may be a sign of dehydration. Fatigue and dizziness. Dehydration can lead to feelings of tiredness, weakness, and lightheadedness. Headaches. Some people experience dehydration headaches, which can range from mild to severe. Dry skin. When your body lacks hydration, your skin may feel dry, less elastic, and show signs of flakiness. Muscle cramps. Dehydration can contribute to muscle cramps, spasms, and stiffness. If you're experiencing severe symptoms of dehydration, such as rapid heartbeat, confusion, or difficulty breathing, it's crucial to seek immediate medical attention. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.